Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Oh, it's your lovely babe Queen and Nikki. Guys, guess what? Today I just want to show you guys how I DIY my hair for a Owambe party. As in, you can actually do it yourself. It's not necessary you go to the salon. Just pay attention and watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I would love to see your comments in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. And for my old subscriber, I say mwah, I love you all. And my new subscribers, I really appreciate every one of you guys. Please, I'm just using this medium to tell you guys that you guys should just please and watch my video from the beginning to the end, even if it is one video, please, because I need to meet up my watch hours. I'm now up to 3,118, please, and I'm still going to I'm sorry, 3,819. That's what my watch hour is saying now. Please, I need to get to 4,000 watch hour. Please guys, just please support me. So try to watch my video. So guys, let's continue with our tutorial for the day. So guys, see me here. My hair is natural hair. So first thing, make sure you wash your hair and you apply your leave-in conditioner, and that's what I'm doing here. So after when you apply your leave-in conditioner, you massage it thoroughly, as you can see what I'm doing here. So after that, you spray your water to the hair with your spray bottle, just to make it easy for you to comb. So guys, don't let anybody deceive you to relax your hair, that your hair cannot did packing gel. So you can do gel up with your natural hair. You can see obviously that my hair is natural hair, and just pay attention. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step of doing this gel up. So guys, after that, you comb your hair with a big comb. Make sure you comb it fluffy. Then after that, you use your take home. Can you see? So when you are done with the combing aspect, now this is the style I want to do. Just pick up your take comb or your cutting comb, then you section it just the way I'm doing. Just pay attention guys. This hairstyle is lovely and it's very simple. You can also do it on your own. So you just pat it across to the other side in a slant form, as you can see. So I just want to achieve two parts. So you section it into two, but it's not straight. You make it a slant part. As you can see, make sure your pattern is neat very well. So guys, when you are done with the pattern, as you can see, so I'm so sorry guys, it's dark a little bit, just bear with me guys. So when you're done with the patterns, you use your rubber band to secure one, then you begin to work on the other one. So you make sure you comb it very well. I love using afro comb because it combs my hair very well. So guys, you comb it very well. So after when you're done with the combing, then you get a thread, as in fixing thread, then you now use it to tie it, just to hold it firm, being a natural hair. So when you're done with the tying, you repeat the same thing to the other side, to the back aspect. So now when you're done with the tying, then the tip, I want to braid the tip now. As you can see, just get small kinking because I want everything to look natural. You can also use extension, anyone you have. You just need to braid the tip, as you can see what I'm doing here right now. So you just braid the tip very well. So can you see? You braid it, make sure you hold it firm. So the reason why I'm adding the extension is just to make it a little bit long for me to wrap very well. So when you are done with the braiding, then you go up and you begin to apply your edge air wax, and I'm using assurance. Please, I'll leave everything in the description button, so you will see all the tools I use. So now I begin to apply my assurance air wax. Can you see? So make sure you use your hands to press it very well, because you know it's natural hair. So when you apply it to the first one, you go ahead and apply it to the second one as well, as you can see what I'm doing. So you apply it very well, both back, the middle, and the other side. You repeat the same thing. So that's how you keep going. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, I'm begging you guys, please subscribe to this channel, please, so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So now when you're done with the applying of the air wax, you use your brush. So you actually need this brush to brush the hair so that everything will be smooth. So you use your brush to brush it very well. So when you are done with the brushing, you take another rope again. You now use it to draw it down just the way I'm doing it, because the hair is natural, so I need to make it look sleek. So after that, when you tie it, don't over tie. Then you now use your hand to press the coming out hair wax. You make sure you use your hand to press it very well. So you did the same thing to the other side. Can you see? You use your hand to press it very well. Can you see the way my hair is looking sleek already? And my hair is natural hair. So I'm going on that. My hair is natural. Sorry guys. My hair is natural. So when you are done with that, so I love adding black gel just to calm the face down a little bit. So you just take small quantity of black gel. Can you see? I want you to guys to see it. That's what I'm showing you. So you just take small quantity of black gel just to suppress the hair wax. Are you getting me? So that everything will keep shining. So when you're done, you now go ahead and you wrap the braided tip. You wrap it to the knots. So now you did the same thing to the other side, guys, as you can see. So when you're done, you now apply your mousse. You need mousse when you are doing gel up, guys. So, and this style is actually a bridal style. Is a bridal style. So when you apply your mousse, you use your hand and you spray a little water to press it. Then you now use your scarf, your hair tie, the light one, or you can use your foil if you have it, and if you don't, just use your scarf. You tie it up, tie it from the front to the back, then you blow dry it. As you can see what I'm doing, just blow dry it for like 20 minutes, and everything will be strong the way you want it. Are you getting me, guys? So make sure you blow dry the whole part of the hair so that everything will be dried very well the way you want it. Please let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful to you guys. So guys, so after the 20 minutes, I go ahead with my extension, and this is the hair tie of the asoebi that I'm using. So I make it long, equal with the extension that I'll be using. Then use your rubber band to hold the middle like this. Can you see the way I'm crossing my hand? Can you see? Yes, use two rubber band instead of one so that it will not cut off. So you make sure you, when you tack it like this, are you getting me, guys? So you make everything equal length. Then you go ahead, you use the remaining part of the rubber, you just use it to wrap the knots part of the gel up you've done. So after that, you begin to twist the braid. You begin to twist the extension wrap together with the asoebi hair tie, as you can see. So you just twist it, not too tight. So after that, you, when you get to the tip, you use rubber band to secure it. Then you now wrap the hair, the extension, to the gel up one you've done so far, as you can see. Then you cross it to the back. See the way I want to cross my own to the back. So you cross it to the back like this. Are you getting me, guys? Then you take it to the front again. Can you see? Yeah. Then you wrap it very well and you secure it inside. Can you see? And this is the front. So please guys, note this, don't use colored rubber band. Just make sure you use black rubber band. I actually want to show you guys, that's why I'm leaving it like this for you to see. You use black. Can you see? Not to make it obvious, you use black rubber band, don't use the colored one like this. So after that, when you're done, so I go ahead and use my bridal pin just to secure the hair. You use your bobby pin as well to secure it. So guys, and this is the final look of the hair. This is how I flaunt my Owambe party on 27th March. So guys, so this is how the hair will look. It's very simple and it's lovely. So can you see? So I'm looking simple and natural, and this is the back of the hair. So you can also do it yourself. It's very easy. Just pay attention and watch this video from the beginning to the end. So guys, that's the final look. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you for your support.